Hi boys and girls, today we are going to use items in your house to learn how to measure to the nearest quarter inch and then organize the data that you collect. My name is Miss Price. I am a third grade teacher at Rosewood Elementary School. So today we are going to use items from your house. I chose to grab 6 different shoes from my closet, and we are going to measure the lengths of the shoes to the nearest quarter inch. So you are also going to need a ruler, and once you have your ruler, you are going to grab your shoes, measure each shoe, and then record your data for that. So I'm just going to take my first shoe and I am going to measure it. Remember, you have to line it up all the way at the 0, and then you want to see about how long it is. So this shoe is about 10.5 inches long. Alright, then you are going to take your next shoe and you are going to line it up at 0, and you're going to look and see about how long this shoe is. So this shoe is about 11.25 inches. Then you're going to take your next shoe, same thing, you're going to line it up and see about how long it is. So this shoe is about 10.5 inches. And you're going to follow the same steps for each of your shoes. So this shoe is about 10.75 inches. And then grab your next one. All right, and this shoe is also about 10.75. And then your last shoe. Then you'll see that that one is about 11.5 inches. So after you've measured all of your shoes and collected your information, we are going to organize that data on a line plot. So a line plot this is an example of a line plot. It looks very similar to a number line, but when you collect your data on a line plot, you put an X above the data point that you are organizing. So if we start with the first one at 10.5, we're going to go to 10, and then we are going to find our 10.5, and we are going to put an X above it. And then I like to cross them off so I know that I've already collected and organized that data. So our next one is 11.25. So we're going to find 11, and we're going to look after to find 1/4, and we're going to put an X. And then we're going to cross it off. And then we're going to go to our next one, which is 10.5. And if you already have an X, you are going to stack the X on top of it so you can see both of them. and then we're going to cross it off, and then we have 10 3/4, and then we're going to cross it off, and then we have another 10 3/4, and then we have 11.5 inches. And then we're going to cross it off. So once you have collected your data and you've organized it, it makes it easier to see that I have 2 shoes that are 10.5 inches long, 2 shoes that are 10 3/4 inches long, and 1 shoe that is 11 1/4, and 1 shoe that is 11.5 inches. So when you're making a line plot, you don't have to have all the numbers. It's like a number line, so you can start wherever. But I wanted to make my number line look very similar to the ruler, so we could plot exactly what we were measuring, since we were measuring within the foot. So your challenge now is to go grab 6 items from your closet, 6 socks, 6 shoes, 6 of anything that you can find in your house, measure them, and then create a line plot so you can analyze your data of your objects and see what you can come up with.